Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yang Zalti Mulya. Hello everyone. I'm from Indonesia Language and Literature Education Program Studi. This is my video article presentation. My article, the title is Discourse Indonesian National Teams Reporting in Online Media Fair Clocks, Critical Perspective and Implication. Okay, let's start to slide 1. Research background of article is: this study has a background of examining how the meaning and purpose of news production and consumption, and social factors that influence news are written and published and analyzed using the three-dimensional theory of critical discourse analysis from Norman Fairclough perspective. Formulation of the problem is: based on this background, the author raises the formulation of research the problem, namely, how is the three-dimensional form of Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis regarding the Indonesian national team reporting in the online media bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com and its implication. Research purpose of the article is: describe the three-dimensional form of Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis regarding the Indonesia national team reporting in the online media bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com and its implication. The theory, I'm used the theory three-dimension of Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis. First dimension is the text, representation, relation, and identity. The second dimension is discourse, practice, text production, text consumption. The third dimension is socio-cultural practice, institutional, situational, and social. Okay, implication for Indonesian language learning. Topic the learning is presenting, entertaining, innovation news. Okay, let's to the slide 3. Methodology of research. Research approach: qualitative, descriptive. Data source: for this study was used coverage on the online media websites sport.detik.com and bola.kompas.com. Data from text excerpt from news coverage of the Indonesian national team on the online media website bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com. Data collection technique is listening and note taking. Data analysis technique is referential distribution. Okay, let's to the slide 4 is result critical discourse practice. Number 1. In the text dimension, both news reports share similarities in their presentation, framing event related to the Indonesian national team in the 2026 World Cup qualifier. However, there are differences that news published by bola.kompas.com focus heavily on Marcelo Ferdinand as the main actor contributing to the contact during the event. The news published by sport.detik.com focus heavily on the playing style displayed by national team. Number 2. In the discourse practice dimension, the next production stage of the two news report published by bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com is similar. Both news reports were produced on the same day. hours after the Indonesia national team match against the Saudi Arabian national team. In the text composition stage, the news report published by bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com share similarities. The text consumption result in both news reports indicate the formation of positive public opinion, demonstrating a positive response to the national team. And number 3, in the social cultural practice dimension, the situational context of the two news stories released by bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com, the publication of the text is a response to the context of the situation of the Indonesia national team's victory in the 2026 World Cup qualifier. In the institutional context, the text of the two news story released by bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com has similarities, and in the institution, namely FIFA and PSSI. In the social context, the two news stories released by bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com have similarities in paying attention to the social condition of the community who are very fond of the sport of football. Okay, next slide. Result implication for Indonesian language learning. The implication of Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis perspective in the use of the Indonesian national team in the online media bola.kompas.com and sport.detik.com can be applied as a medium in learning the material presenting entertaining innovation news in class 11 of high school level. Norman Fairclough critical discourse analysis perspective in the news in this study can train students' ability on how news can be produced and presented by paying attention to aspects of the text, discourse practice, and socio-cultural practice, so that news can be created relevantly and innovatively. Okay, thank you for the watching my article presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.